30 years ago, the financial world, and indeed the rest of the world, was rocked by Black Monday, a huge drop in the Dow Jones Industrial Average that affected the entire economy. And this morning, Garrison the Third from Preservation Financial is here to put the Dow's darkest day into perspective for us. Davis, appreciate you being here.
Thanks for having me.
A point in history that we got to look back at and hopefully learn something from.
We definitely need to, and this is what the Wall Street Journal published on the 19th in commemoration of the 506-point drop in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. 22.6%. To this day, it is the largest one-day decline in the Dow ever.
And does that go all the way back to the Great Depression of '29?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So, man, just truly aptly named Black Monday.
It really was. And if you put it into context, you know, a 506-point drop in the Dow was right around 2,500 points at that point in time. And if you were to factor in where the Dow is today,
right,
over 24,000, if 22.6% drop occurred in the Dow in one day, it would be over a 5,000-point drop. We tell our clients that since 1900 there have been 25 recessions. They happen historically every 5 to 7 years.
Right.
We are almost 9 years into this bull market. And what confuses me is we've had 2 Category 5 hurricanes hit this coast,
right,
in a 2-week period of time.
Right.
The Dow, the market, continued to climb even over that. That's an anomaly. That doesn't happen. But just as an example, blue chip stocks,
right,
were hit very, very hard. USX Railroad declined by 45%. Westinghouse Electric, roughly 34% down. Bethlehem Steel, 30% down. Allied Signal, almost 30% down. Goodyear, almost 30% down. Procter & Gamble, almost 30% down. All of these were components of the Dow. In the mid-'80s, stocks broadly benefited from declining interest rates. But the Federal Reserve in 1987 started tightening interest rates.
Right.
And the 10-year Treasury, which is the barometer that you look at, was at 10.2%. And so it also had an impact on the severity of that day. And as we were discussing earlier, if you look at...
That's the day. That's Black Monday.
That's the day.
And broken down into day parts.
Right.
Yeah.
And the Dow was, as I said, was right around 2,500.
Right.
That happened at noon. And we tell our clients,
right,
you know, if something happens, we'll call you.
Right.
We'll get in touch with you and put you in safety. There's only so many people that you can get in touch with in a 4-hour period of time.
And communication then, as opposed to communication now, so much slower back then.
Oh, exactly.
So I think that had a whole lot to do with it as well.
Exactly.
But if people can hedge themselves, I mean, against something like this happening, and it just takes some planning, doesn't it?
Yeah. All you have to do is be proactive.
Right.
That's what we specialize in. Okay. Our clients don't lose this type of money.
Right.
We have some strategies that in 2007 to 2009,
right,
we did not have one client lose a dime.
That is a great track record. Garrison the Third, thank you for coming by and sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Historical facts that we all need to learn from, and you can go by his office, give him a call there at Sunset Drive at Preservation Financial Group. They will get you in touch with the information you need to make smart decisions for your retirement plan.